In today's video, I am going to teach you how to bulk email all deals in Freshsales. To begin, go to the Deals module in Freshsales. Before you select anything, make sure you are in List View, not the Kanban board. List View is the table-style layout, and it is important because bulk actions work from this grid. If you are currently seeing columns with cards, switch to the table icon so you can view deals in rows. Next, narrow down the exact deals you want to email. Click the filter icon and apply the conditions you need, such as filtering by a specific deal stage. Filtering first keeps your bulk email targeted and prevents you from accidentally contacting deals that are not meant to receive this message. Take a moment to confirm the list now shows only the records you want. Once your view looks right, select your records. If you only need certain deals, check the boxes beside each deal name. If you want to select every deal shown in the current filtered view, use the checkbox in the header row near the name column. That header checkbox is the quickest way to select everything on the screen at once. After you select your deals, a bulk actions tray will appear, usually along the bottom or top of the page. From that tray, click the bulk email icon to open the email composer for your selected deals. In the composer, pay attention to recipients. Freshsales will automatically send to the primary contact associated with each deal. This is helpful, but it also means your data needs to be accurate. If a deal does not have a correct primary contact, it may not reach the right person. Now compose your message and personalize it. Use placeholders, such as the contact first name placeholder, so each email feels specific to the recipient while still being sent in bulk. If you want to save time and keep your wording consistent, choose a pre-saved email template instead of writing from scratch, and then adjust the details as needed. Finally, review everything carefully, including the subject and content, and then choose when to send. You can send immediately with Send Now, or you can schedule the email for a later time if you want it to go out at a specific hour. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.